My boyfriend Joe and I looked at probably 9 other apartments before here, and this was our last one because when we toured it and it had the garage and the price and the location, all the brand new amenities and stuff, we were then searching.
By all means, you can literally go right down the road and you're at a Target or you're at a PetSmart or you have your Walmart and you have Berry Road.
The staff has been absolutely wonderful. Anything I have needed or had questions about, they were right there.
The community aspect of it, the idea that you actually try to engage with your residents, and I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous, so why not?
Oh yeah.
I would definitely recommend people. I think, again, you don't feel like you're in an apartment. It feels home.
They want everyone to be a part of the community, and that's huge. I would recommend anyone to come be a part of that for a while.